Got a drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, you already know, just put your girl on fleek.
Hello Annihilators, welcome back to my channel. Hi, as you saw from the title of this video, my friends and I are going to the Bahamas. And I obviously wanted to vlog the entire experience for you guys. And it's gonna be tea, so make sure you watch to the end. But like always, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to become an Annihilator because what? We are the best. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. We're gonna do introductions. I'm gonna let everyone just introduce themselves.
Oh, I like that. I don't even want to do it right now because this is not the introduction.
We'll do introductions later.
Oh, look how pretty that is. Okay, pool. Okay, pool. Wait, let's go to the pool. Okay, so this is our confessionals for the drive. Guess what time we got back here? We said we were gonna hit the road at 10:30. Then we pushed it to 11:30. But we did not hit the road until 12:30. Marley's family welcomed us. It was super cute. But I do have to say, I love road trips, so I had a really good time on the drive. But Anaya was not having it. I forgot everything, including my charger. So my phone was dead the whole time. We went to this place called Magnolia Plantations. We're black. So that was a little scary, but I got my pickles and I got my peanuts, so I was real okay.
Hey Annihilators, so it's me, Anaya. To give you guys a quick rundown for 1-1, it is both AP and Marley's birthday. We are going on a little cruise trip to the Bahamas. We might actually go to Disney after, we don't know yet. But here's my confessional. So the drive was cool. I drove about 3.5 hours steady. I'm not gonna lie, the drive was 7-8 hours. It was supposed to be 6 hours and 30 minutes. I swear we didn't get here until 8 or 9. For me, I hate long car rides, which it's not that long, and I'm really excited to spend this time with my girls. We're gonna have so much fun, and I'm gonna take you guys along with us for our trip.
Boom, it's day one. We have been in the car for a good 8 hours. I thought it was a very smooth sailing, nice ride, and it was so peaceful. I had many laughs, and I can't wait to kick off this birthday cruise, right? Y'all are gonna see all of it. You heard it here first. I was gonna rhyme, but it didn't work out. In the desert, they have droughts, so that's why you gotta get rid of your doubts. Happy birthday, Marley. Happy birthday, V. Happy birthday, Anaya. 21.
Do you want to join our confessional? That's where we spill the tea. Let's have a daily confession. That's looking too much.
No, it's not.
It's not too much? Is that too much? Wait, hold on, guys. This is my girl, Ari. Period. Ari. Don't play with her. Okay? Well, I'm gonna give you privacy, but you can just take the phone and you can do your confessional. We'll just pretend like we're not here.
Hey y'all, I'm Ari. I'm from Texas, basically, but I go to school in Hampton. I'm excited for this trip. I'm ready to see what the cruise. So I'm ready to see what the cruise brings and stuff. My friends back from home, they say a lot about cruises, so I want to see where this goes.
So yeah, y'all, that's the team. We'll update you. Anyways, y'all, this is day one, and we're gonna go into day two, and we'll see you then.
It's my birthday. That's why we're here. I got my toes.
What's up? We are here to celebrate you. Yay! We're so excited for all this free food.
Yay! He can rap, but he's not in the mood.
If I cannot rap it, it's giving me the blues.
Blues Clues. It's a show. I am ready to go.
That was good.
Y'all, so we are boarding for the cruise. We are about to get ready. I am. Oh, we're taking a picture. We are boarding for the cruise currently. I'm not gonna lie, they were really irking me. They were oh, stand back, stand back. I'm standing this is the wall. They wanted me touch the wall, but I'm I'm not gonna touch the wall. So I'm standing right here. And they're no, you need to stand back.
Get your passport out.
While I'm complaining. Anyways, I'm excited. What are we gonna do as soon as we get on the boat?
Bring passport.
Show our passports? Oh yeah. This will be a part of our thumbnail too, y'all.
I'm not sure my passport.
Yeah, just the front. This lighting eats. Are we? I don't know. We're also allowed to bring one bottle each.
Can everybody put their passports out
in
for a picture for me?
This is the bottle that I brought. Well, kind of.
Can you put your...
See, and I'm 21 now, so I can do so. But I'm not a drinker, so probably not even gonna drink it. But it's pretty aesthetic. Huh?
We're about to get on the ship. It's right there, guys. It's right there.
Yeah, I'm trying to. That's about to be us. I'm so excited. Anytime anybody says that they're tired, they're taking a shot immediately. Y'all get it, y'all see it, y'all feel it. We're all super excited. We're gonna have so much fun. We're celebrating a lot of birthdays, so that's awesome. And yeah, we're gonna turn up.
Deck up your master. As soon as the stairs go one deck up, then you can come down here.
Thank you. I didn't hear a single thing anybody just said to me. I didn't hear a single thing anybody just said. Wait, where are we going? I don't know where we're going. Okay, all right, y'all. So none of us ended up buying the drink package because everybody had to buy it in the room, and it was like $100 a day, so it's like $400. We got kind of creative. I don't know if I should be saying this, but essentially, like me and Marley, we always get told that we look alike. So I'm like pretending to be her, and she has the drink package, and we are just going back and forth and getting the drinks for the drink package for the group. So it's drink number one, and I'm gonna see how like excited they are whenever I bring it up. I'm gonna like act like I don't have it though. That way they're like, oh no, like we won't be able to, whatever. And be like, I'm just kidding. This is I think a blue margarita.
Station and check in with one of our friendly master personnel.
Oh, they caught on. They caught on. They were like, no, I can't get another drink. Huh? Yeah, they were like, no. I went to 2 bars and they're like, no. Just kidding. That was my attempt at a prank. Thank you. Was it a bad prank?
Bad prank. We did not like that because...
Okay, the food.
Listen, y'all come and get one of these.
All right, I'll talk to you later. So this always happens to me for some odd reason whenever I'm on vacation. This literally happened to me in New York when someone stole my phone. Okay, literally couldn't get home. Now I had 2 bags, but they were attached to each other. Tell me why one of them is gone. Bathing suits, shoes, $400 worth of stuff in there, gone. No one knows what happened to it. Like, oh, you know, we'll see at like 6 o'clock. Yeah, right. I'm hoping that they can recover it. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be a very happy camper because I have to be in the Balenci's on the beach and nobody wants to do that. So, I don't know, but I'm just very peeved. Yes, AP. Yes, AP. What? Yes, 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 yes. Puta la gasolina. Más gasolina. So update, no more carnival slander. I found my bag. We're about to go to dinner. We're currently sitting in the lobby, or the hallway. Very, very deep hallway. If you can guess how many doors is in this hallway, I will give you $100,000.
Magic trick. Ready?
Okay.
And I can make it disappear.
I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna...
Is this a fire hazard? Is this a fire hazard? All of us
We
sitting
look, you
here?
have to move.
Yeah, right. Sorry.
Key, but we have it. They never... We got Mandy and Misty. This is the birthday bit. This is X. Birthday Barbie.
And they go with her everywhere. I love the concept. So smart. What do you want to tell the vlog?
Oh, I just want to say there's not a lot of fun people on this plane. I mean, this boat.
Not fun in Cruise Bay?
No.
No.
But we have time tonight because we're going to clear. Me and Ari, we're going to the
They're looking. Baddies. Oh wait, my Texas baddies.
We know we a 10 because we a baddie with our baddie friends.
How is everyone's trip going?
I give it
10 out of 10. Texas.
We love Texas.
No, we love Texas here. We love Texas here. We just had some bomb. We just had some bomb karaoke. And we're about to go and like just chill for a second before we go out to like the little like club here. I think we're also gonna go to the casino.
We're going to the club, cause in the club we all found
New AP. It's funny because her name is actually AP.
Oh, Charles wanted to say hey.
Good morning.
Hey, Charles.
Where are we at?
The Bahamas.
The Bahamas. Yo, we almost missed our excursion.
And did.
Almost. We were supposed to be here at 10:30, and we came at 11:10.
Disney cruise in front of us.
Oh, it's Disney. Oh my God, I've been on the Disney cruise. It's so fun.
I ain't never been on it.
Stay tuned. I'm actually really interested to see like where we're gonna find the place. The bathroom is so far. We're gonna do a little pop squat. Kinda exposed. Let's go this way, yeah. Let's go this way. Or you know what? Boom, 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 boom. So yeah, the bathroom's far, but this is the area. Hey, it's stunning. I'm having a lot of fun, and we also were able to secure some jet skis for pictures. So. We just finished our day at the beach. We went. It was really, really fun. I'm hoping I got a tan. I don't think I did. It is blue and white night, so everybody is all dressed up. We look the same. We're gonna do an OOTD for you guys. Shirt is from Zara, pants Cotton On, shoes Banana Republic.
Dress from Baldwin Breed. Shoes are Zara. Bag is Scotty Milan.
Period.
This is Opali, ass fab, shoes. I don't know.
This dress is from Zara.
Period.
Okay, get into it. Get into it.
Period.
And then the shoes are Jimmy Choo. Dress, I believe, is from Zara. Shoes are literally from my mom. Jewelry is from my sister or best friend.
Ari is gonna teach me how to trip out.
I don't know. I don't know how to trip out.
It's just me here. It's just me. Everybody is in bed, asleep at 9 on Saturday. So hopefully they get back up. We're supposed to go to a comedy show. I'm actually gonna end up still going and just try to see if I can like, you know, hang out. I'm really honestly thinking, tell me this is crazy, I want to do like one vacation every 2 or 3 months. I think it is like so necessary, especially because I work so much. So like this time to really just like sit, chill, and not worry about work and life is like so nice. Like it's just so nice. And honestly, I think it's something I want to do more often. And honestly, y'all, cruises are an affordable way to travel. You pay for everything once and you're done. Like, let's talk about it. It's currently 10. So comment if you think that they're going out, and if you do, tell me what time you think we're gonna go out. I'm gonna say I think some of us are going out, not all of us. And if that is so, I think it's gonna be around 12. I met some new friends. Hi, friends.
Lost all of our money in the casino.
Oh, you did? How much did you lose?
75. Not too bad. Not too bad.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. We're about to drink the rainbow. We're getting one drink of every color. We're starting with red. We're gonna do what?
Sorry, daiquiri?
A daiquiri.
And then yellow.
Roy, like orange. Why?
Yeah.
Why? Yellow. Oh my God, wait, an amaretto sour. It's yellow.
What is?
An amaretto sour. Green. Margarita. And then B. Blue. There's another margarita. It's like a, I don't know. It's some Bahama
Do you
thing.
think they know how to make an AMF? Adios, motherfucker. Those are blue. That's what it's actually called.
Pro tip, if you travel, at least 2 people should buy the drink package. Strawberry daiquiri, number 1. Let's try it. 10 out of 10. So this drink, it is a black licorice drink. You cannot get it in the US. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
That is correct. We're gonna try it. Well, I'm not gonna try it. You're gonna try it. You tell us how it is. Why can't you get it into the US?
This is very high proof.
It's very high proof. What's the proof? 58.
Give me that.
I had smelled it yesterday. It smells purely like black licorice. Here you go. Thank you so much.
Right?
Just one. Just one. Just one. You cannot get this in the US. This is a Carnival Cruise exclusive. Beautiful.
Thank you.
It's fucking disgusting.
I'm not gonna try it, but it does smell exactly like. No, it's black licorice. Black licorice is nasty.
Nothing happened. That just wasn't. It's gonna be delicious.
Update us on to the green drink.
Okay, so I had another one. Cause I was like the first one didn't do anything, but I was like my eyes feel weird. But I was like whatever, I'm gonna get another one. And now I'm hallucinating
It's making me hallucinate.
because it does that when you have a. Oh yeah, and then when his friend also, the guy I had one with, his friend did 4 last night and literally was completely hallucinating, like out of it, like whoa.
The bartender actually said that that's gonna happen. You don't get drunk, you hallucinate.
It's not.
You said it's
a
nice.
drug. It's not liquor. It's like a drug. I feel like I'm on a drug right now. I'm like,
I'm gonna skip. Hey y'all, so the confessionals and the conclusion of the cruise did not happen, as you can see. But we had so much fun. It was an experience. We went to the Bahamas, we rode jet skis, we bonded, we went to the casino. I mean, we danced a lot, okay? Everybody was so much fun. I had a great time, a much needed vacation for sure. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I couldn't get the full amount of the cruise. It's just me videoing, so. But like always, I'll see you guys into the next one. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to become an annihilator because what? We are the best. Without further ado, I'll see y'all in the next video. And like always, mwah, I love you guys so much and appreciate your support. Bye.